How to get dark mode on Snapchat. So if you've been using Snapchat and then you notice that it is in light mode, you would like to convert it to dark mode. First of all, open up your Play Store or App Store depending upon which device you're using, and then check if your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update button there, make sure to update it. Now after you update it, no matter whichever device you're using, unlike Android or iPhone, open up the Snapchat app and make sure you log into your account. Here, just make sure you can see currently we're on the light theme. So what if I want to switch to a darker theme? Well, at the very top left of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji avatar. So just make sure to tap on the Bitmoji avatar, which will take you to your profile page. At the very top right hand side, you can see the gear icon, which is the settings icon. So make sure to tap on it. Now when you're here, you'll find many options. And as long as your Snapchat app is updated, you'll find an option that says App Appearance. Just tap on it. Here you can see many options: light, dark, or match system. Match system means if your phone is in light mode, it will follow accordingly, or vice versa. But since you want to switch to dark, select always dark and tap the restart now button. And now you can see we have successfully switched our Snapchat app to dark mode. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.